Hey beautiful people, this is your girl TASHNEE.V.MAVEE. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. To all my friends and family, thank you guys for the love and the support that you've been showing me. I really do appreciate it. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So guys, I've missed you so much. It's been 11 months ago when I posted my last video. Guys, I've been going through a lot, but hey, I'm glad that I'm back again on my YouTube channel, and thank you guys for the love that you've been showing me. Thank you for supporting me, and thank you for being there for me. You guys are so perfect. You guys are the bomb. Like, I really do appreciate, guys, the support and the love that you've been showing me. Most of you have been calling me, most of you have been texting me, asking me what's going on, and I've been telling you that I'm coming back. And yes, your girl is back, and it's all because of you guys. So guys, yeah, if you want to see how I came about this look, please stay tuned, and me, your girl, I shall see you on the next side. Ching. the tutorial. So this is the final look, so check me out. I just love the way everything just came out. Look at my lips, the eyeshadow. So I decided to go for this, you know, this crazy colors. I went for orange and I went for purple, then I went for brown. As you can see, this is how it all came out, guys. I really do love this makeup look. And the hair that I'm using today, I'm using Spice Girl. So this is the packaging. It comes on this beautiful packaging like this. So I'm using the Spice Girls today. Oh yeah, this is the Spice Girls that I'm using, and it is 100% synthetic wig. It's a premier wig, so I really do love this lace wig. It's really synthetic, as you can see how beautiful it looks. And yeah, the color that I have on me, it's a T1B33. It's T1B33. This is the color that I'm using right now. And the hair, it is up to here, as you can see when I'm standing up. It's, yeah, it goes around, yeah, that's where the hair goes by. So I really do love the synthetic hair, and I think it's beautiful. It's soft, you know, it's something. Yeah, it's really beautiful, and I really do love it. So guys, yeah, as you can see, this is all I came to show you today. So yeah, this is how I look. And yes, I hope you like it, girl. I hope you like this. So guys, please do comment down below and tell me what you think about this look here. So this girl shall see you again on the next video. So right now I had to pause. Ciao, bye, see you on my next video. And hey, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up